This is the one down on my bike so far. I would have to go order a new one of these, no matter what. Don't mind the lawnmower in the background. These are a 3-inch by 12-inch TTR stock tires on a TTR 110. I need to do some touching up. This bike is falling apart. I need a new real shock. Totally leaking. I blew the shock out to see. Hold on. You didn't see how bouncy it in my videos. What else do I need? Oh, I need a new exhaust. Have black wheel all over. The pipe. Here's the bike. Need a new front right fork. Need a full exhaust system. I got pro tapers.